If you are wondering how you should wear your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, how to do that properly to make sure that, for example, the watch is going to be able to collect all the information about our health, like, for example, our heart rate, maybe to make sure that the sleep data is collected properly, and so on and so forth, the answer is very simple. First of all, you should wear your watch around 2 centimeters away from the wrist bone. Usually you can just place your finger right next to the wrist bone, and then you can figure out where exactly the smartwatch should be located. Besides that, you want to, of course, wear your watch snugly, so it shouldn't be too loose, so that, for example, when you exercise, it's going to just, jump around to your wrist or something like that. And at the same time, it shouldn't be too tight. You don't really want to wear your smartwatch too tight as well, of course. So keep that in mind. It should be snugly so that it fits your wrist perfectly. It doesn't move around when you, for example, perform exercises, when you run or something like that. And that is pretty much it. In the case of which wrist you should use, or on which wrist you should wear your watch, it doesn't really matter. It can be your left hand, it can be your left arm, or your left wrist. It can be the right wrist as well. The orientation is customizable, so in case you want to actually wear it on the right wrist over here, and if you prefer to have buttons on the left side here, so that you can easily press these buttons with your fingers of your left hand, and then of course you can customize it as well. You can just go to settings on your watch, then choose general, and then in here we have orientation, and you can customize it very easily. And it is actually recommended to set it up properly, so that of course the watch is going to, of course, adjust everything according to the wrist, because this might be actually crucial for some of the health features. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.